Hello Music con Brio students and families. This video is for the violin students in the 330 class, and this video is going to be going through our green and white flashcards, so our tempo and dynamic cards, and then also our new flashcards today are the green ones, which are some musical terms and symbols. So let's get started. In the last video, I kind of threw these white ones at you as a little bit of a surprise toward the end. And these are our dynamics and our tempos. So let's see how much you remember from last time. And let's get started. Just gotta make sure I've got the right dynamics here. Okay, here we go. So this one is an accent sign, and it means emphasize or play that note louder. And you typically see it over or under the note. So accent means emphasize or play that note louder. All right. Mezzo piano, medium soft. This one is fortissimo, very loud. This one is forte, loud. Okay, this one is a diminuendo or a decrescendo, and it means gradually softer. If you look at it, you can kind of see how it means that. The symbol starts big and gets gradually smaller, symbolizing we start a little bit louder and gradually get softer. It makes sense. Okay, the opposite. This is a crescendo. Start soft and get gradually louder. Okay, this one is piano, soft. All right. Mezzo forte, medium loud. This one is pianissimo, very soft. Okay, we're into tempo now. So ritardando means gradually slowing the tempo. Okay, do you remember this one? This is a tempo, which means resume the original tempo. Okay, this one is a cognate. It sounds the same in Italian and English. Moderato means moderately or pretty medium. All right, allegro means quickly and happily. Andante means walking speed. And adagio means slowly. All right, so let's go through these one more time. You've seen them now a few times. So let's see, I'll leave a space for you to say the answer out loud and then you can check your work. All right, let's go. Okay, accent means emphasize or play that note louder. Mezzo piano, medium soft. Fortissimo, very loud. Forte, loud. Diminuendo or decrescendo, gradually softer. Crescendo, gradually louder. Piano, soft. Mezzo forte, medium loud. Pianissimo, very soft. Ritardando means gradually slowing the tempo. Okay, a tempo means resume the original tempo. Moderato means moderately or medium. Allegro is quickly and happily. Andante means walking speed. And adagio means slowly. All right, friends, nice job with those. We'll keep reviewing our dynamics and our tempos. But for now, I would like to try something new. I don't think we've ever done the green flashcards together. So these are some other musical terms and symbols. A lot of these were in the fun video that Odin showed us, the how to read sheet music, like written by a 12-year-old. So you might recognize a lot of these, and there might be some new ones. So let's talk through these just to get started. Okay? So this dot that you see above or below the note is a staccato, and as you know, staccato means separated or detached. Make sure that the dot is not beside the note, like this, because that would make it a dotted ta. All right, so this is a staccato, not a dot that we use for rhythm. Okay, so staccato, short or detached. Okay, this is a slur, and this means to play legato or smooth and connected. And it's not to be confused with this one, which is a tie. So the way you can tell the difference is that slurs connect different notes, like notes that are higher or lower, and ties connect the same note, notes that are the same pitch. So slur is legato, smooth and connected. A tie means that you hold out the note for the combined rhythm of both of these notes. So half note plus half note, 2 beats plus 2 beats. We would hold this for 4 beats as if it was one long note. Okay, so that's a tie. All right, this is a fun one. It's called a fermata, and it kind of looks like a little eyeball. And a fermata means hold the note longer than its value. So just hold it out. Fermata. Okay, this is not a hashtag in music. This is a sharp sign. And as we know, a sharp makes the note go one half step higher. So from a C to a C sharp, you know. Okay, the next one is a flat sign, and that means it makes the note go down a half step. So say we have 1 on the A string, which is B. A flat sign would make it a low 1 or a B flat. Okay, it kind of looks like a lowercase b. Flat versus sharp. And then a natural sign cancels out a sharp or a flat and makes the note go back to being its regular note. Okay? Natural sign. All right, repeat signs. The double dots inside of these double bars indicate that everything inside the bars must be repeated. So the repeat sign has a double bar, a thick one and a skinny one, and 2 dots. And it shows 1 at the beginning and 1 at the end, which means that you play what's between these 2 times. You guys know how this works. But the way that this one is different from this one is that this is only at the end. So if you see this at the end of a piece, it means the whole piece is going to be repeated. Whereas this could appear in the middle of a piece. Like say one line has repeat signs at both ends, it means just repeat that line. But this, the one repeat sign by itself at the end, repeat the whole thing, the whole song. Okay, but they're both repeat signs. All right, dici al fine means when you're playing the piece, you get to the end, it says dici al fine. It means da capo al fine. And in Italian, that means go to the beginning and play to the end. Okay? So, little Italian lesson. Da capo, from the beginning, al fine, to the end. Okay, 8VA stands for ottava, which in Italian means octave. So when you see this, it means play that note one octave higher than it's written. So if it was written as an open D and it said 8VA over the top, you would play D3 on the A string instead. Make sense? Okay, friends. Great job. We worked through our green flashcards just as an introduction to these, and we will continue to work on these a little bit more next time. All right? Have a great rest of your day. Happy practicing, and I will see you next time.